Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and you're all safe. If you are new here and you do not know who I am, my name is Alokrita Barua. I create content around fashion, beauty. I do a lot of makeup hauls, fashion hauls, and I also show a ton of skincare products. So if you're new here and you like the vibe, then please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I have some amazing, exciting content coming up for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so today's video is pretty exciting. It's another haul. Well, you know me, right? So today's haul is from Urbanic. Now I've been seeing these Urbanic hauls lately on YouTube, and a lot of people are doing it. Their clothes resembles a lot to Shein. Now, because Shein is banned, we do need some alternatives, a substitute to that, because Shein used to sell such trendy and cool pieces, right? So I saw their website, Urbanic. So this is my first time getting something from them, and most of the stuff was pretty much like Shein. Now this is I have a couple of tops. I have one dress, and I have a couple of jewelry pieces to show you. Now I have to say not all of them were good. I mean, there are some hits and some misses. So let's continue with this video, and stay tuned till the end, because there are a lot of things that I need to show you. I'll be trying it on so that you know how it looks on me, how the fit is, how the quality of the material is. So yeah, let's continue watching. Alright, so I want to start off first with the jewelry pieces. I have four neck pieces, starting off with this one. So this is the first one. I think I really like it. It has these two butterflies in baby blue color, and it has baby written in it here. So I quite like it. I think it goes with this top that I'm wearing. The blue is not like too popping. It's quite subtle, so you can wear it with different outfits, different colored outfits. And the material of the chain, the quality of the chain feels nice. Like you know, it's not very flimsy or delicate. It feels good. So yeah, this was the first one. Let's move on to the next. By the way, all these jewelry pieces came in these Ziploc pouches, which is good, you know, I like that. Alright, so the next one is this. I think it's like so I wanted some dainty pieces. I didn't want very heavy neck chains or jewelry. I wanted something that I could, you know, just quickly wear with any outfit, and I wouldn't have to think twice. So this is the next one. As you can see, it has like a beautiful pink crystal here, and then it has this beautiful pendant which says love. I don't know if you can see it or not. Alright, so here's the necklace or the neck piece. I think it looks really pretty. You can like wear it separately. It's gonna look really nice. So the next one is this one. This is slightly different, not my style, I have to say, but this is how it looks like. It comes in this beautiful golden chain, and it's like a dragon, but it has like stone embellishments on it. I think it looks pretty nice. It's gonna come up till here. Yeah, it's gonna come up till here, and I think I like it. It's not bad. For the price, I think the quality feels good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Moving on to the last neck piece. So it comes in this beautiful butterfly. Doesn't have any stone or anything. It's just like a beautiful golden butterfly. So there you go. So that's how it looks. So anyway, those were the accessories or the neck pieces. Let's quickly move on to the clothing items. So I want to show you the dress that I got. So So I just got one dress. Now this particular dress I feel was a miss. I did not really like it. This is how it looked like on the picture. I'll just pop a screenshot here. But I mean, look at the picture. It looks really nice, right? The material looks very satiny, and the design of it looks really nice, but it looks nothing like that. So this is the dress. I mean, it looks fine on the camera right now, but the material is like that jersey material. I hope you can see it. And it has sort of a crisscross back, and then it has a slit at the side. I'm gonna wear this and show it to you guys. Okay, so this is how it looks like. That's the back. I mean, in camera, I have to say it's not looking that bad, but in reality, it just looks like a night dress. Like, I mean, look at this. So yeah, I mean, I don't really like it. If this was in your wish list, or you were, meaning to buy this, then don't get it. So yeah, so this was the first item. Let's move on to the next. Okay, so this is the first one. This is how it looks like. It has like strings here. You can like pull it up or pull it down, and just tie it out here. And it's in this halter neck style. I love the design going on in this beautiful brown coffee color, and the material is fine. It's that polyester jersey stretchy material. Not my favorite, honestly, but I think it works. That's how the back looks like. So it's in this halter style, which is quite trending right now, and I really like it. I think this is gonna look so good with baggy jeans or like brown colored wide leg pants. So the next one has to be my favorite from the entire haul, from the entire lot. It's this beautiful pink t-shirt or tee. It's called a baby tee, and it's like a crop t-shirt, and just look at this print. This has to be my favorite because the material feels so soft and good. It's not that very light jersey material like this. It's a good cotton stretchy material, and also the print is like so vibrant and so cute. And I think this looks really nice. Let me quickly wear this and show it to you. Alright, so this is how it looks like. I think this looks really cute. I just love it. The fitting is perfect. The material is nice. It is a little bit transparent, I have to say that, so you'll have to be careful with what you wear inside. You'll have to wear nude underwear. I think this is gonna look so cute with like a beautiful pink or a white skirt, or even with like white pants. So I'm pretty excited to style this and just go out. But yeah, definitely a must buy. The next one is again my favorite. It's this beautiful pink cami top. I mean, just look how cute this is. It's in this leopard print style with like beautiful lace going on here, and it has these noodle straps. Now the only problem I have with this is that the straps are a little bit flimsy. Like, it's not gonna just stay here. It keeps like rolling over like this. You're gonna see when I wear it. But otherwise the top looks really cute. It's cropped, but I mean, if you are not comfortable wearing very cropped tops, then you might not be comfortable in this, but otherwise this looks bomb. All right, so this is how the top looks like. I think it's super cute. As I said, it is pretty cropped, so if you're not comfortable wearing crop tops, then you might not like this, but otherwise the material feels nice. It's very soft, again in that polyestery stretchable kind of a material. And like I said, do you see how the strings keeps rolling over? I don't know why that's happening. I don't know why. I mean, the top fits really nice on me. It's just the right fit. It's not loose, it's not tight, and that's how the back looks like. Now let's move on to the next pink top. This one again was another favorite of mine, but it's in this corset style. So it comes with these buttons here that you need to just put on, and then it has these it has like sort of this boning here, which gives you that beautiful corset kind of a look. And at the back side it's just simple, like straight cut, but at the front it is like sort of a V cut, and the material is also nice, similar to the ones that I've already shown you, and the fitting and all is also really nice. So let's see how this looks. Alright, so here's the top. As you can see, this is like that beautiful corset kind of a style. It is called a corset top, by the way. I think so. I think this looks really nice. It is comfortable. It doesn't feel like, it's like hugging your body or your waist. I have just the last two pieces to show you, and these two were again a miss. I did not really like it. So basically, I don't know if you have seen this trend going on where the top looks like a scarf and you just have to like tie it at the back. So basically it is this. So this is the one. As you can see, it's in this scarf sort of a cut. It looks like a scarf from the front when you wear it, and it has like sort of a V cut at the end. But then at the back, there's just these strings that you need to tie up. Now this is very tedious. This is a tedious job. Like, you'll need someone to help you wear this top. And then again, the material is like very flimsy. It's like that polyester jersey material, not a very thick material. I don't know how you're supposed to feel secure in this top. This is how the picture looks like, so you'll have to like wear it in this crisscross form. So give me some time. I'll be back in like 1 hour just figuring it out how to tie this. So yeah, I'll be back. All right, after an eternity later, I finally got myself to tie those laces behind. But I have to tell you, this is an extremely risky top. I mean, anything might just fly off and you might get to see something. But overall, from the front, I think it looks fine. It's pretty cropped. It's very tiny. And if you are someone who's heavy chested, I don't know how you might be able to wear this. I think with black jeans, high waist jeans, it's gonna look good. But then from the back, that's how it looks from the back. Literally, there's like nothing. And if someone by chance pulls on this string, there you go. There's nothing left to say. So you'll have to be really careful with the strings. Now moving on to the last one is again something like this, very similar. I just had so much hopes from this top. Like, I was rooting for this one. I was so excited for this one because again, another trend going on, and this is how it looks in the picture. Looks exactly like the picture, I have to tell you that. The material is in this beautiful satin material and looks like a scarf. Has like two straps here, adjustable straps, which is good. And then you have to just tie these at the back. Now when I show it to you like this, it looks really nice. But the problem with this top is that because the material is so soft and satiny, it is difficult to tie this securely. Like with this, at least these are strings. You could like, tie it up a couple of times and it might not open. But with this, because it's like so slippery, it just doesn't stay secured. Like, no matter how tight you wear this or put this, it just doesn't feel secure. It feels like the ties at the back are slipping and sliding, and it might just open any time. Okay guys, I'm back. I don't feel like showing it to you guys, but this is how it looks from the front. Like till here it looks really nice, but do you see how tiny this part is? Like, even the entire top is like so tiny. Like, literally, if I'm not like holding this here, this might just fly off any time and you'll just see everything. It's just so bad. Like, I had such high hopes from this top. The material and everything feels really good. Like, I paid, I think, 800 to 900 bucks for this top, but I think I'll have to return it back. I don't know if I can even wear this for a couple of pictures, but yeah, it's just a big no. So if you plan to buy something from Urbanic, then please check the reviews properly, check your sizing really well. I actually made sure that the sizing is proper. I went ahead and looked at the size chart for each and every item that I wanted to shop. So please be careful with that. But overall, I feel everything that they showcase is like very trendy, very cute. I liked most of their stuff. I have like a bunch of stuff still lying in my wish list. I plan to buy more because I might return this and the dress, so I'll get back some money. So I plan on buying something else with that money. And with that refund process, if you wish to get something and you want to return it, then it's a simple process. You just have to raise a return request against that item, and you just have to enter your bank details and your pickup time and address, and someone is gonna just come to your address and pick it up for you. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned. I have a couple of more exciting hauls coming up, so stay tuned for that. Please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you very soon. Until then, stay safe, stay indoors, and be happy. Bye.